Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish your Facebook business page. This is particularly useful if you need to temporarily hide your page from the public while you make updates or restructure your business presence without losing all your content and followers permanently. First, you'll want to navigate to facebook.com and log into your Facebook business account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Facebook homepage. From here, take a look at the left navigation menu where you'll typically find your shortcuts. Click on your Facebook business page from this menu. This will take you directly to your business page management area where you can control all aspects of your page. Once you're on your Facebook business management page, focus your attention on the left navigation menu again. Here, you need to locate the settings option and click on it. This is where all the important configuration options for your page are housed, including privacy controls and page visibility settings. After clicking settings, you'll be directed to your Facebook business settings and privacy page. This section contains various controls for managing how your page operates and who can see it. Look through the options carefully until you find Access and Control. Click on this option to proceed. This is the section that gives you control over the overall status and visibility of your page. Now you'll see 3 different options presented to you, each serving a distinct purpose. You can deactivate your page, unpublish it, or delete it entirely. Since we're specifically looking to unpublish your page, which means making it invisible to the public while keeping all your data intact, click on the Unpublish Page radio button to select it. This option is perfect if you're planning to bring your page back online later. Once you've selected Unpublish, click on Continue to proceed with this action. Your page is now unpublished, meaning it's hidden from public view, but all your content, followers, and page information remains safely stored. You can republish it whenever you're ready by following these same steps and choosing to publish again. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.